and I'll go up, and here I'll just do Control E. Let's see if it fills the data or not. Let's wait for a while. Flash fill in progress. Okay, let's wait for a while. Similarly, now what others can be the example of flash fill? Let's say uh, phone numbers. So you might be knowing that whenever you write the phone number, we take a phone number as +91 for India and then +1 for some another country. Let's say those are the codes that we need to extract to recognize what country the particular applicant belongs to. So you can use flash fill in that case. You can use first name and last name I have from the data, but I want to combine the value. So what you can do, you can just do flash fill. You can give one example to the Excel and then you can use flash fill for that. Here also, if you guys see, we have extracted the code from our order ID. This is how we have done it. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you share the sheet? I don't have the sheet.
Sheet, actually, I'm not sharing the sheets that I'm creating, but I can share the data with you. So
Okay.
give me just 1 minute. I'll share some demo data so that you can do the practice. Wait a minute.
Mhm.
I'm sharing in the chat box, okay? Do you have yesterday's data which I shared? Do you have that file?
Yes, I have that file.
Yeah. Okay, if there are people who are not having that file, I'm sharing it again. Yesterday's file I have shared. I am sharing some orders data also. Okay. I have just shared yesterday's file, the person who is asking. One more data I have shared, the sales report. That data is also huge. We can do multiple things on that data. So you can
Ma'am,
just,
this is a CSV file, yesterday file.
yeah, so some people was not having this file, no? That's why I've shared.
So, how we work on CSV file?
You
We
can
need
just open it in Excel. It will get open properly. There will be no issues.
Okay, okay.
I have shared one more file. Maybe these sample data you can store. And also, if you don't have the data, there is a website called as Kaggle, which gives free data sets. So you can have any type of data from there. You can just download it.
All right, sure. Thank you so much.
Yep, I'm sharing my screen again. Let me know once it is visible. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's up.